How to browse and search for products on Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. So this is the place where you can directly find out different products that you want. Here on the top, you'll be able to see this search bar. Simply tap on this search bar. Now you can directly search for the product that you're looking. Here on the right hand side, you can even use this camera to directly search for the image. Here, if you go back, you'll be able to find different categories and subcategories on the top. Simply swipe right. Here, there are different categories that are available. Now, simply tap on the one that you're looking for and it will automatically view all the products that are available. So, you can customize it and easily find the one that you're looking. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.